Hey everyone, here's that Tillotson carburetor. I've got the inlet needle in place and I've leveled it. I'll show you how to test the level on that inlet meter. Get you a straight edge, put it across the base there, and it should just touch that. You don't want it too high or too low, it'll cause lean or rich run. I'm ready to put the soft plugs in, and we'll put the low speed in first. I found what works the best is just a small punch using the back side of it. Works really well. Use the back side and just tap it down. And then we'll do the high speed. Back in the day, they recommended using fingernail polish to seal these to make sure you got 100% sealage. But with the gas deteriorated as much as it has with the ethanol and everything else, not recommended anymore. But I'll show you in the next video how to test your work to verify you got a good seal. And here's that Lombard after kitting that carburetor, repairing it, doing a little bit of work on the ignition. Fire it up and let's listen to it. Any questions on these vintage chainsaws, you can get hold of Chainsaw Guy, sawking@hotmail.com.